Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I personally explore market trends using Google Finance and how I stay updated with different areas of the financial markets. So, in this Google Finance tutorial, I'm walking you through how I navigate and explore various market trends directly on the platform. When I open up Google Finance, I usually go to the main page and look over to the right-hand side where the Market Trends section is located. From there, I can quickly choose the category I'm interested in. Once I'm on the Explore Market Trends page, I'm able to access a wide range of useful information. I can check major indexes to understand overall market direction, or I can look at the most active stocks to see where trading volume is highest. If I'm interested in performance, I can also explore top gainers and losers to identify which stocks are moving the most during the day. There are also additional sections like climate leaders, cryptocurrency, and currencies, which give me a broader perspective on different parts of the market. This makes it really easy for me to switch between categories and get a complete overview without needing multiple platforms or tools. What I like most about this feature is how organized and beginner-friendly it is. Everything is clearly laid out, updated regularly, and easy to understand, whether I'm doing quick research or just staying informed about current trends. So yeah, that's how I explore different market trends on Google Finance. It's very simple, very straightforward, and incredibly useful once you start using it regularly. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.